Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to look gorgeous. It is a tutorial on how to look gorgeous because honey, Donmily hair, they produce insane quality. Look at me, the volume is insane, and mind you, I didn't even curl this hair. It came like this. The volume is so beautiful. I love the lace. I love everything about this wig. And by the way, this video is sponsored by Donmily hair. Thank you so much, Donmily hair, for sponsoring today's video. I really do appreciate it. And yeah guys, let's get straight into today's video because I won't stop talking, especially since I look this gorgeous. Oh well guys, since this tutorial is based on looking gorgeous, I quickly want to tell you about the hair so that you can watch and learn in peace, because honey, the standard of this wig is on level 10, period. Okay, see, one thing about Donmily hair company, whether the hair is bleached or in its natural color, it does not shed at all. And by the way, this is a 13x4 Brazilian body wave lace front wig. It is 150% density. I love the shine and how bouncy it is. And yeah guys, this tutorial is self-explanatory, so take notes and enjoy.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet They keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. telling lies. That's how we stay alive. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night.
And there you have it, guys. I slayed this wig. I look gorgeous. I'm happy with the way this wig came out. I'm really happy with the style. I'm happy with the volume. Everything looks perfect. And yeah, that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye, guys.